everyone, I'm Heyun from Seoul. Today's recipe is a Korean beef dish called so-bulgogi. It's a dish made by stir-frying beef and vegetables marinated in a soy sauce-based seasoning. Let's cook the rice first. We use thin sliced beef. I'm going to tenderize the beef by adding sugar and massaging it. Leave it for about 30 minutes. Slice the onion and some green onion and mince the garlic. Now add soy sauce, minced garlic, sesame oil, some pepper, and the vegetables to the meat. Mix it all together and let it marinate for another 20 to 30 minutes. Now let's cook it. Spread the meat out on the pan and grill it on both sides, and then stir fry. Try not to overcook it. We don't want dry beef. Sprinkle some sesame seeds, pepper, and green onion, and drizzle some sesame oil. Wow, look at this. This is so good. Please like and subscribe for more simple Korean home cooking recipes.